It's miracle. It's a miracle to see another Jane at the end of the screen. And as everyone, every factory introducer here, the same. They have done good job, really good. So next factory is FALAWO. FALAWO from Hangzhou Illumination Company. FALAWO. Hello, hi. Am I pronouncing right, FALAWO? Hello. Hello, FALAWO. Can you hear me? Hi. I see your sound and smooth is off. Hello. Hi, FALAWO. Or maybe the signal is not that good. Let's be a little bit patient for our factory, next the factory FALAWO, and re-entering our chamber in few seconds.
Hello.
Hello, hi, I can hear you. Hi. Hi, FALAWO, can you hear me? I'm Jane. I'm Jane from Lightstrade. I think maybe you are suffering from some traffic jam, so don't worry. Take your time and don't be rushed. And we are waiting here. And don't worry. Hello, hi. On and off, on and off. The signal is like sending like this, but don't worry, it's very common in the online exhibition. Hello, I can see you. Hi, hello. I'm Jane from Lightstrade. May I ask? Oh, you're circling again. Don't worry. Hi, can you hear me? This is Jane. Hi. Hi. What's your name, please?
Hello?
I can. Hi. Now it's stable. Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Yeah.
Hi. What's your name, please?
My name is Sandy. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Sandy, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Sandy.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Sandy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe we are suffering a little bit from the signal.
Yes.
Now, is that possible that you can switch to some? Sometimes I can hear you, sometimes I'm losing you. It's like periodically changing from the modes. Is that possible that you can change another places with Wi-Fi or stable signal? Oh, hello. I see. Hi. One of your staff is on.
Okay. Oh no. Hello.
Hi. Yeah, I can hear you. Still Daisy, right?
Now it's stable.
Now it's stable. Right? Yes.
Okay. Now it's okay to hear me?
Yes. Yes. Loud and clear. Okay. This one is much better than that one.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Sandy, would you like to give us a brief introduction of FALAWO in like 10 minutes, please? Thank you.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Here is FALAWO Hangzhou Illumination. And our company is our company is a factory of outdoor decoration LED lights, and you can see here is our showroom, and our HQ company is YD Illumination, and we have more than 36 years old for outdoor decoration lights. And all our lights are exported to more than 70 countries like Russia, America, Korea, and India. And our main products are LED strip lights. You can see this is our LED strip lights series, and our Streamlight series, and our
Flower light.
Our flower light series, and these are red lights and other modern light series you can see here. And why we do such good outdoor decoration parts? Because our HQ company is very famous for its pixel lights, which is very high quality. And now we use the same waterproof technology with our HQ company, and do very beautiful flower lights. And you can see we test all our lights underwater. You can see that we put all our lights, especially our LED strip lights and our string lights underwater, but they're still working very well. Why we can do that? Because we use our patent technology. You can see all our lights, the material are made by ourselves, and it's vaccine, so it will resist the vapor in the air to go inside the light, and will do some electronic correction to let the light to be broken. So all our lights can be used for outdoor very hard climate, and ensure the lights to be used for 5 to 10 years for outdoor. That's very long time.
Yeah,
and yes, and our lights are produced to help all our customers to do long lifespan lighting projects for the lighting stability. And we also have the 3D printing technology. You can see here. These all 3D printing materials are made by our own patent technology, MMLA material. This is a new material. Like our traditional 3D printing material, they are just used for indoor, and we're not able to use for outdoor. But all our lights, all our 3D printing material can be used for outdoor. Because they are very colorful, and they will not yellow or be crack for a long time. So it's very good. What's more, besides IPCC waterproof, back to our lights. Our lights also very safe because it's fireproof with zero. We now do a test. We now do a test. You can see that when we fire it, it will not promote to fire. So if our lights used for building is very safe, it will not to it's able to ensure safe for building, especially for building.
Right.
And yes, so and in this world you can see many projects in this world. Like our lights used for some commercial lighting, some landscape lighting, some real estate decoration lighting, and some facade lighting, and a lighting show. Some grand festival lighting show, some grand event lighting show. And just like this, you can see this is our ball lights. Now you can see this. This project use our ball lights. Because this project use 10,000 pieces ball lights and used for 3 years now for Hainan International Movie Festival. Yes, and why they choose us finally? Because not only our lights can be used for underwater. So for, you can see that just we used 3 years, but they didn't broken, and they still just still recycle to use. And for the RGB lights, we use our own control system. So for such big grand lighting show, we can ensure the lights to be controllable, and we have our designer team. We have designer team and the technical team. Our designer can do very good programming for our client, and our technical team will do some good technical support to do some to give some guidance and some maintenance guidance to our clients.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yes, and you can see the facade lighting. Many facade lighting, like do some LED screen, and do some this is warm white lighting effect for some stairs for the shopping mall, RGB lighting effect, and the ancient building do some just outline decoration. They all use our LED strip lights. We have many types of LED strip lights, like the single color, many colors, like warm white, pink, and you can see here we have many kind of warm white, like purple, and this is yellow. Not only the warm white, but also some RGB lighting effect.
Yeah.
For RGB products, we know that if they do not do very good waterproof treatment, they will broken very quickly, because RGB lights are more likely to be
broken. Yeah.
Be affected by the vapor in the air.
Oh, yes, exactly.
Yes. So what we do, all our technology are help our customers to solve the waterproof treatment problem, and to use our own technology to ensure all our lights to be IPC6. What I show you now all can be used for outdoor, underwater, and even under seawater. We do many testing. And the Streamlight also, you can see the material is waxing. There is no air in these lights, so it can be very IPC6 waterproof. And what's more, the wire also by ourselves, so the every row of the light, same material, you know. We ensure the same material, so we can be IPC6 waterproof. And our Streamlights are more shiny and very good lighting effect. We have many different lighting effects, like just a single color, like 2 warm white and 1 shining white, and some maybe like this, more pink and blue and green and warm white to alternatively shining.
Thank you.
Yes. And
Wow.
our flower lights, you can see, maybe you can see some flower lights in the market, similar with our lights, but our lights, the lighting effect is special. You can see it's not only up lighting, also it has a two-side lighting. You can see that. The flower head is lighted, and now the leaves are also lighted. This green.
Yeah.
Yes. So maybe sometimes our clients do the lighting effect by themselves, but when I see their lighting, their design pictures, I said that's not our lights. Our real lighting effect is two-sided meeting. You can see that the grass also lighted by the green lights, and the lights you can see. The light cover is also not just a normal plastic. Also add our own patent technology to make it will not become yellow or cracked under water. It's anti-UV, so it can be used for all the very long times.
Ah, I see.
Yes.
Sandy, hi.
Yes.
Excuse me, Sandy. It's very fully explained and the detailed explained of your production line. I see the cases and the projects and the Hainan movie in festival projects. You're using your. I think the production lines are really good. Maybe because we only have 10 minutes and it's run out of time. I don't think 10 minutes or 100 minutes is enough for the whole company introduction, but I will ensure that this beautiful introduction session. Oh, great! This is your contact number. This is great. Yeah, I just want to mention that. Yes. Wow.
Yes. Can you see it clearly?
Yeah, we can see that clearly.
Okay, and I put it on the table.
Don't worry.
Just to make it stable.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
We are having
if any customers is interested in our lights, yes, please scan my WeChat code.
Yeah, and the WhatsApp.
And,
WhatsApp number.
Yes, I leave my WhatsApp number, and you can see here is our website,
FALAWO.com.
Yes.
Thank you, Sandy.
Thank you.
You have done a very good job, and thank you so much. Because due to the time limits, otherwise I really want to chat with you for a long time and know more about the flower.
Maybe you can add my WeChat and
yeah, of course, why not? And I will see you on GILE. On the International Lighting Exhibition Fair. Okay, thank you, Sandy. Thank you for your participation.
Thank you, Jane.
And the introduction. Yeah, see you next time.
Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.
Have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.